In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your financial institutions integrated smoothly with QuickBooks, which will help streamline your bookkeeping process substantially. Let's start by launching QuickBooks Online on your computer or device. Once you have the application open, locate the Sign In button. It's usually visible at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, which are typically your email and your secure password. Make sure to remember these by heart or use a password manager for ease and security. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click Continue. Now that you're signed in, we'll need to navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. You'll find this within the QuickBooks menu. By selecting this tab, you will be taken to a section dedicated to managing all financial transactions related to your bank accounts. This is where the magic happens. At the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. Click on this to open a new window that will guide you through the process of connecting your financial accounts. In this window, you'll be prompted to select your bank from a list. If you don't see it listed, you can use the search function to find it. Once you've selected your bank, you'll need to provide your banking credentials. Be prepared with your online banking username and password handy for this step. It's important to understand that QuickBooks uses bank-level encryption to ensure your information is safe while linking your accounts. After entering your banking details, proceed with logging in to connect or link your bank or credit card account. QuickBooks might take a moment to retrieve your account information, depending on how much data there is to process. Once the connection is confirmed, you'll be prompted to select from different options such as which accounts to link and how much historical data to import. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online. With this connection established, QuickBooks will now automatically import transactions from your bank, helping to keep your books up to date without the need for manual entry. This can significantly reduce the time and effort required for bookkeeping tasks. If during this process you encounter any issues or have questions, QuickBooks provides plenty of support options. Online resources and a dedicated help center are available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your bank connected with QuickBooks Online.